welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a recipe from my country. We're making tacos Nicaraguense. We're gonna start by prepping our chicken. Once your chicken is nice and clean, you're gonna add it to a large pot like if you're going to make soup. Add a quarter of an onion and a few garlic cloves. You're gonna add salt, pepper, and whatever else you like to add. These are the seasonings that I added to it, and it makes it taste good. It gives it a lot of flavor. For the salad, you're going to need cabbage, tomato, lemon juice, and salt. Once the cabbage is washed, you'll add lemon juice, salt, and the tomatoes, you will add them last. It's time to prepare our taco filling. Start by cutting up half an onion and a whole bell pepper. Add oil to a hot skillet. Add the bell pepper and onions to it. Well, the purpose here is to sweat the onions and the bell pepper so we can add the shredded chicken to it. Mix all this up and add salt and pepper. You're gonna add about a tablespoon of W sauce, ketchup, and mustard. Mix it all up and let it cook down for a few minutes in medium heat. Once the filling is done, once this chicken is done, heat up a few corn tortillas so you can start assembling the tacos. Add frying oil to a hot skillet. And this is how you need to assemble your taco. Add chicken to the tortilla and roll it up. Take your rolled taquitos to the hot oil to fry them. Take the taquitos out when they're nice and crunchy. come to the best part of the video, assembling our tacos. Now you're gonna add a generous amount of the salad we made earlier on top of the tacos or on the side. Add crema or table cream on top of the salad and add ketchup. I tagged the recipe of this table cream in this video, so please check it out. And that's it, my friends. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you make this recipe. It really is a good one. My friends from California love it, and they always used to ask me for this whenever we had potlucks or family parties. So please make it and let me know how you like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Bye!